Hi there. My name is Michael Jones. Welcome to the next video in this series. Investor and Crypto Videos for Beginners. Today, I am going to discuss Shiba Inu, or SHIB, and the exciting new ShibaSwap. What is SHIB? SHIB is an ERC20 token, which means that this currency is built using the Ethereum network. The reason for choosing the Ethereum blockchain for the development of the Shiba Inu system was due to the fact that it was secure and well established. Decentralization is the top priority for the token, and the Ethereum network is the best way to remain completely decentralized. The Ethereum network allows the system to develop and evolve without any outside regulations. If you want more detail, it is best to read the Shiba Inu whitepaper online. What is ShibaSwap? ShibaSwap is a decentralized exchange where SHIB holders will be able to swap tokens and take part in yield farming. The exchange is currently undergoing security tests, audits and final updates, according to the project's website. In addition to SHIB, the project also encompasses a multi-token ecosystem, consisting of BONE and LEASH tokens. All three are expected to be used as part of Shiba Inu's yield farming feature. How does the ShibaSwap ecosystem work? LEASH differs from SHIB in that the supply is limited to about 100,000 tokens, giving this coin a different appeal compared to SHIB. BONE token is somewhat of a middle ground between the Shiba Inu and the LEASH tokens. BONE is a governance token that allow the holders to vote on important matters for the next year. The more BONE a holder has, the more weight their vote has on future issues. Developers also announced on their website that the BONE token will take decentralized finance to the next level. The three tokens mentioned previously are the origins of Shiba Inu's ecosystem, and they established themselves through the ShibaSwap exchange. The goal and purpose of ShibaSwap is to create a safe environment where cryptocurrencies can be traded. Developers also emphasize keeping the system completely decentralized, as their loyalties lay with the holders of the Shiba Inu tokens. They also have ambitions to grow and develop both ShibaSwap and the other parts of their system even further. All the tokens within the Shiba Inu ecosystem can be either buried or dug. The bury functions are basically just a function for staking the tokens. The digging function is a way to farm tokens. Can I make money in the future by buying SHIB now? SHIB is a relatively new currency, and there is not a lot of information regarding these tokens. This means that it is hard to determine where the currency is headed. However, the launch of ShibaSwap is an exciting development, along with the release of BONE and LEASH tokens within the SHIB ecosystem. For more money and crypto talks, please follow my YouTube channel.